Okay, so I chose to study health and social care at this university because it created a great foundation in a career in the healthcare sector and also for its learning environment, which is really great. Yeah. Yeah, so far the experience has been positive with teamwork, presentations, and also time management. I've been able to prioritize tasks and also assessment, so which is really great. Yeah. Okay, so before I came to learn here, I was working in the retail industry and I wanted to switch from the retail industry to the healthcare sector. So hopefully after this course, it is my dream to work in the public health sector, helping people, educating people, and helping the community prevent diseases. This university have great lecturers who have so much insight and guidance to help me achieve this dream. And also with the career fairs, we get to meet professionals who are already working in this industry to give us, explain to us how it looks like in the real world. Yeah. Okay, so I've enjoyed how the classes are being taught is smaller classes, and also how we are given the chance to work in groups, teamwork, and then real life case scenarios. We are given real life case scenarios to work on it. So it's like bringing ideas to resolve solutions. So it has been really, really nice. Yeah. As a single mom of two, combining the studies with my coursework and assessment has been a challenge. How to prioritize my assessments, the kids, and also I'm working as well as part-time. However, the flexibility of this course, which means we come 2 times in a week, I'll have time for my kids and my work. And also I manage to use the well-being team when I'm being stressed and overwhelmed, which has really helped me to manage my stress and also my coursework. Personally, I think it is a great opportunity for people who are not available to work during the week. Personally, I have recommended this course for a friend who was not able to have a schedule in the weekday. So the weekend is really helpful, I think, for people who are willing to upgrade themselves but don't have the opportunity to come and study during the week. Yes, I think this university don't look only at the academic aspects, but it also look at your well-being, which is very great because sometimes it gets overwhelming. So the fact that there are many other services like the mental health, the well-being, the career services, which helps with the CV and help you to search for work, with my example, to transition from the retail section to the healthcare sector. And also the student services, the student union, there are trips, tours, and all these are fun experiences. Yes. I think that there's a great accessibility because with Canary Wharf, we have the Jubilee line, the Elizabeth line, which is great connecting you to Liverpool Street. Yeah. The access is quite good. Yeah. There's so many varieties from shopping to restaurants to fitness. There's so much to do here. Yes. This university is excellent. Yeah.